In this video, I want to talk about how you can use the long position tool inside of TradingView. Now this tool is really good if you want to put a stop loss and a take profit on a buy position. So to do this, just open up any chart and select the long position tool, which usually is just this one. Otherwise, click on this and select it. Now once you have this, what you want to do is you want to select where you want to make the buy. So let's say you want to put it right here, right? So just click here and now it's gonna make your position. Then what you can do is grab this one again. So you can drag on these and you can put this however you want. This will be your take profit, this will be your stop loss, and this will be when you put the buy order. So now that you have this, when to make the order, what you want to do is just right click on it, create limit order, and you can see it will already be filled in here. So let's just do like this. You can see when we move this and we go in here, you can see it is now moved as well. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. Then simply press buy in there to make the order. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.